Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use Remitly to send money. First of all, open up the Remitly app on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap Get Started. And this will be the process of sending money. To send money, you need to enter the amount you want to send. You can check out the price of money you are sending from one currency to another, such as USD to Mexican. After that, select your delivery method. Choose the bank or debit card deposit option from here. Then, select the method of how you would like to pay. You can use debit, credit card, and bank account. Now select the debit card option as your payment method, or you can choose a bank account and select your bank. Then, enter the account number and click to continue. After that, the money will be transferred successfully. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.